Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and of course, we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, kindly um cross-check the chart first before going on with the analysis. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with gain X 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so this had been an uptrend for a while, just where we have seen it. Rightly supposing gave us an uptrend signal, and it has been buying since then. It has gotten to a new resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there. If it's unable to break out from there, then we should expect more of a selling opportunity. That is why we got a downtrend signal, and right here is a sell signal. So this should be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay. Still on 15-minute time frame, this is GainX 999. This had been an uptrend, got to this region, had a pullback, went back up to break out above that, and of course, it has got into a new resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it's going to keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. But for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Let's check out the next asset, which is going to be PayNext 1200. This is PayNext 1200. These had been on complete on uptrend. Okay, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it. So right from there, it had a pullback and went back up to break out above it. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Okay, but for now, it is still buying. Okay. So now the next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. Okay. So guys, this is PayNext 999, and of course, this was an uptrend before, but after getting to this resistance, it started a downtrend, and it has been selling since then. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So we expect it to get to this region. You can see the structure. I taught you guys the structure in the morning. Okay, if you had watched my video, okay. So this is giving us the M vibes, and of course, it is going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset, which is going to be FX volume 80, and of course, this is FX volume 80. After getting to this support zone, it was unable to break out below it, and it gave us an uptrend right from there. And if you should check the chart very well, this is giving us the W vibes, and of course, you can see even broke out above this resistance zone to buy more, and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a follow right now? Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.